Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, we are with my old tractor here. It's a 1950 Massey Ferguson, from what I can tell about it. And what you're looking at right here is the oil bath air filter. But this has not been used at all. The parts and pieces that go from here or here, whichever direction it goes down, to go down to the carburetor, when I bought this, it actually been completely taken off and discarded, and they had a wide open carburetor. So since then I have bought a K&N air filter that kind of fits on there, but when I went to mess with this, I noticed it actually was not on there very well, so I'm gonna have to do some modifications to that as well. But for now, I'm going to just get rid of the rest of this, and I figured we'd kind of take you along for the ride. You could kind of see maybe how this all fits and works. It's a very large bracket right here on the side, it looks like, of the where the battery holder is here. So it looks like there's just a couple of bolts there. I don't know if you can see that, a cat. First thing I'm going to do before taking it all apart, I want to see if there's, I don't think there's any oil in here. It doesn't feel like there's a lot of anything going on, but I'm just going to take this top off and take a look. Unfortunately, I lost my battery there, and what you didn't see as I unscrewed this right here, and the bottom dropped out, and it does have some oil in there. Surprisingly, it doesn't look like there's that much water. You can tell there's a little bit of sludge down there, but anyway, I'm gonna dispose of that properly, and that's about all there is. We'll take the rest off and see if there's anything else to see. Well, I got an 11/16, and right here, and then over on this side the same way. I just need to undo this. I'm hoping it doesn't appear that the nut on the back actually does turn. It looks like it's part of the battery tray. Huh. So this one goes all the way through, but this one actually slides off right there. It's off, but I am going to keep it just in case I decide one day to put this back to some sort of original thing, but seriously doubt it. So I thought I'd give you a little bit of a look down here. There's mesh screen and looks like some sort of filter, metal filter stuff underneath that. Doesn't look like you can really pull it apart all that easy. It looks like it's spot welded all the way around here. And that's just where the air comes in, goes through here, and then bubbles up, I'm assuming, through the oil, filters out what crud can get filtered out by the oil. Also filters through here, and then air comes out the top here and goes down into your carburetor. Let's see if we can make any more noises. Well, as you can see, it's been quite a while longer, and I've got my tractor up on the lift and I'm doing some work on it. But to end this video, because I was having all kinds of noise problems that day, I decided, and I didn't know exactly what my plan was. Quite honestly, I had that K&N air filter that I bought off of Amazon. Wow, my light just died. So I had that K&N air filter on there, well, not really during this video, but I was using that directly on the this part of my carburetor where this is hooked in right now. So because it was getting hot and actually kind of melting a little bit, not too bad, but a little bit, I decided I would go to the auto parts place and pick up some of this, I think it's like exhaust stuff for maneuvering your exhaust around things. I personally probably wouldn't use this, but to each their own. But a lot of people probably wouldn't use it for this as well. So, but anyhow, I got that on there. I just used the muffler or exhaust bolting unit, U-joint, whatever that is. Kind of stuck it on there. I did have to slice this stuff so that it would pinch down and go around there well, but it does seem to be holding on there pretty good. And then I just brought the air filter up kind of under where the original oil bath filter was. Now, you know, looking at this, I probably could have used this stuff. I mean, if you're really in a pinch or just trying to get something working, you could use this probably with the oil bath filter and hook that in and use that way. But really, the oil bath filters aren't as good as these ones. It runs great with this on here. It's not too restrictive or anything like that. Quite honestly, I don't know if this was an oiled one or not. I haven't done anything with it. I figured this was better than the nothing that was on this tractor originally. But just kind of to give you an idea of something you can do to at least get your tractor running and get it going down the road, and maybe not worry about sucking things into the carburetor that you don't want. So I'm going to call this an end to this video. Keep an eye out. I have many videos on this, so if you want to see more videos on this tractor, please go check out my George playlist in my playlist here, and I got several videos already up and several more to come. Alright, thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all, and I'm obviously master of none. You all have a good one.